We're back here with another motherfucking video, and as you guys can see by this start, we are back in the M2, of course, the daily driver now. Low key, it's not the daily driver, but it's low key my daily driver. The car looks fucking amazing right now. I'm in Morristown, as y'all can see. That shit is so hard, bro. But regardless, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead, hop up into some driving. You guys can get a nice little POV. And yeah, man, we're gonna see. I'm sorry about the wind. I know it's windy, but the car looks amazing. The seats look amazing. And yeah, man, I'm really blessed to be able to own this car and drive it. And I feel like I've said that a lot, but to be honest, it's an amazing feeling. Like it's crazy to me. And this car, I need to turn that setting off because it always unlocks and locks. I'm gonna get some flicks, and then I'm gonna head out of here, man, because yeah, I want to get some good content for y'all and for myself. So a cold start, yeah, I still haven't taken off the blue wrapping because I'm weird like that, and on the M2. But I went ahead and put in the M1. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Shit sounds so good, bro. And right now we are currently sitting at, if it ever tells me, 219 miles. So we're getting there, man. We're getting close to the break-in. Not close enough though, because I'd be working, but hopefully by at least January, I'll have the car broken in. I'm hoping. The reason why I'm not rushing getting to the mileage is because I'm gonna hold on to this car for a little while, like a good amount of time this time around, not just like a year and then get rid of it. So, yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my time with the car, man. It's such a blessing in and of itself for me to be able to own this car. I pray for days like these, you know, days that I could just go cruising if I want to cruise, or if I just want to chill at the house, I can just chill and look at the car. But let me turn the camera around. Car sounds really good. I'll pop the windows down. There are cops in this area, so I do just gotta watch out for the cops because I'm in fish bowls right now. Car sounds so good though. I'm in love with this thing, bro. Y'all hear the car though, man. It sounds good. The brakes sound amazing, man. I don't care if they squeak. I think it sounds good. I ain't even gonna lie. Hope you guys are enjoying this video and everything today. And yeah, I'm just hoping I can bring you guys some good content and everything. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the highway home and just get a nice little cruise in. Proper M driver, no blinkers. I'm just kidding, I usually use blinkers, but I just didn't feel like using blinkers right there because I'm too cool for them fucking things. It's windy as fuck out today, man. You can feel it on this car. On the M4, you can't really feel it, but on this thing, you can feel it, I won't lie. I gotta get some tints going because people are definitely mad at me for holding up my phone. People in Jersey hate that shit, I can't lie. As they should, as they should. Could have sworn I just saw a car do a fucking U-turn on the highway. I might be tripping. But nah, we're cruising, man. I'm starting to feel more comfortable with letting this car eat and do its thing. It's at 222 miles now. 222, good vibes. And yeah, I'm just enjoying it. It's really just like, again, man, I'm just like, it still feels like a dream, but it feels a lot more real now because I'm closing in on making my first car payment. So yeah. They already want my fucking money from me, man. It's terrible. Get the fuck out the fast lane! God damn! The fuck are you doing? Like, that shit is not that fucking deep, man. You do not belong in this lane, my boy. You're not going 92. You're going fucking 55 and a 65, bro. Keep it pushing. Not here for it. Hey, first time hitting 100 in this thing. Hey, hey, man, say, man, that was the first time hitting 101 in this goddamn car. I know you guys are probably like, damn, you're really a pussy. I ain't a pussy. I just don't want to beat the fuck out my car yet. Like, even that felt kind of crazy for me to do to the whip, I won't lie. But I'm trying to figure out, oh yeah, I do kind of want to get some food. I'm gonna get some food. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely get some motherfucking food in this bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a few revs. God motherfucking day. All right, you guys. So as you guys just saw, I was just back in Morristown, which doesn't really make sense now that I'm back in the garage. But I just got back to the house a little bit ago. It's now nighttime though. I won't lie to you. Now, I just want to go over a few things on what I'm going to be doing to the M2. There's the M4, obviously still in the background. I'm going to turn the camera around though. First of all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. I just want to go over, like I said, a few things about the M2. We do still have the Z3, so that's nice. And the M4, like I already showed you. But anyway, pretty much my plans for this car, I really want to just first go ahead and with the appearance. I want to get tints and I want to lower it. That's like the biggest thing. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and throw the spoiler on back because then I think it'll look okay to have a spoiler. After that, I'm thinking I'm probably going to do some stuff to the front, maybe a lip and just a diffuser. But then again, guys, all that stuff is super expensive for this car right now. So I'm really just worried about the tints, the lowering, and the spoiler because I already have the spoiler. But I'm going to go ahead, walk around real quick, and I'm going to pop the hood. Okay. Gonna go ahead, pop it. Look at the, do you see that animation it be playing? It's kind of cool, I can't lie. I'm gonna go ahead, pop the hood, and show you guys this beautiful S58 motor. As you guys can see, the motor is giant. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on the flash. As you guys can see, this motor in here is huge, bro. Like, I mean, it still obviously has a bunch of room, but I know that there's fans and stuff in there and everything. But I mean, bro, the car just looks crazy with this motor inside of it. It's still kind of surreal to see this motor inside of this car, to be honest with you. But pretty much as far as this stuff goes, all I want to do is maybe just throw some carbon fiber on the inside, maybe just the cover. Obviously, I want to do some intakes. I want to get some front mounts going. I just don't know where I can find some front mount intakes. So if any company wants to help me out with some front mounts, hit me up on IG, please, ASAP. But other than that, I just want to throw a downpipe and a tune, just like everybody else. I'd like to throw a Valvetronic exhaust, but I think I'm going to just go with the Valvetronic mid-pipe because the exhaust is super expensive and the mid-pipe makes a huge difference altogether. So if I just do downpipes, a mid-pipe, and a tune, I think I'll be chilling. And obviously the intakes, and I think I'll be able to make up in the 700 horsepower range, which is fucking insane, bro. I can't even imagine that. I can't wait for that because right now I'm at about like 450 to 460, and that is even a lot, and it's a lot of fun. I can't get over this car. I can't imagine still, like, I know people have their own opinions and stuff, but if you think this car is ugly, you're just really being closed-minded to the fact that car companies come out with new car designs all the time, and they got to keep it rotating, bro. They can't keep the same thing up on the shelf for more than 5 years. They got to change the look eventually, bro. And I think, honestly, with the look of all the other G series right now, they are just adding perfectly to the look, and they did a good job with this shit, I think, to be honest with you. But regardless, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I'm really just excited to bring this car to the channel and more importantly into my life. Again, I'm saying that, but yeah, it's a really big blessing. I do want to at some point get out of New Jersey, bro. There's no waves here. There's nothing to do. And honestly, I think in another state, I'll be able to really flourish with the stuff that I want to do and everything. And I think I'll be able to make it happen. And I can't lie to y'all, the cold weather's not it, man. I like the warm weather, I won't lie. The cold is just not always the most fun. I can't lie to you. So yeah, I got to figure something out, man. But in the future, I'm just putting it out there so it's out there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to stop yapping. And yeah, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We've been growing like crazy. Thank you guys so much for all the likes and all the comments and all the subscriptions, man. I'm going to catch y'all later, man. Take it easy. Signing out from the 2 and the Z3. Peace.
3 a.m. I'm in the studio, down the doors and out.